Hey guys, so I'm going to be going over this little project I've been working on. Um, what it does is I send it a prompt, it creates the files, deploys it to GitHub pages, and it just creates a PWA, progressive web app. Um, so pretty lightweight code. I'm trying to make something like lovable and so all the other vibe coding type things, but much simpler. Uh, this is for more basic type apps, simple games. But what it does is going to call that open AI endpoint and then start building the application. Um, we are going to use ChatGPT-5 because it's quicker. But here's how it works. Like the node process running. We got Postman going here. So it built out one app already. So I don't know. What about a photo? I don't know. I need a quick app idea. I already got the calculator built out already. We got some note taking apps. What about a simple recipe book app? All right, send that to the endpoint. So this goes here, and then it's gonna go through all the processes. It's gonna generate a prompt folder with all the files, and then ChatGPT is gonna look at each of the files and update it for the application in the prompt that I described. It takes a bit of time, but works pretty well. So once it's done, what happens is it uploads to my repo. So the prompt and then the identifier, and then it deploys it to GitHub pages. So if I go to my GitHub pages right here, this is the calculator app I did recently just to try it out. So these are mobile first PWAs, which I think are really cool for like simple apps. Maybe later on we can do some like database and API integration stuff, but I think for a start this would be really nice. The end goal is I'm gonna, instead of doing PWAs, I want to do native applications. So then it'll just give back a link to the APK or app bundle and then the IPA file. Just got to figure out the logistics side on distribution on Apple because the whole limited users thing and licensing. Um, we might have users end up putting in their token for App Store Connect and then just uploading it to their test flight. That's probably the only way I think we could get it to work. Android side doesn't matter because we can always create a debug build and then just ship it off to like test out, so you guys can just download it on your Android devices. The Apple site's a tricky one, but I want to create fully native apps instead of all these people who are using React and Expo to build out these applications. Which it's not bad, but I'd rather go native. So I'm gonna try to use this as my proof of concept and then build out a platform where users can describe their app and then it'll build it fully native. So for Android, it'll build out the APK app bundle. Boom, you got your app. All you have to do is upload it to the store and you're good to go. All right, So as you can see, it's creating the files, updating them. So we are going web right now. It's almost done. After that, it's going to do the README. Then it's going to send it off to GitHub. So let's check out our recipe app. Give it a minute. All right, so I pushed it to our GitHub. So if I go to GitHub, I wonder if all of them are here. No, I took the dark link. All right, so go to the GitHub. We can see that a new repo is created right now. And then we go to the settings, pages. It got deployed out. And boom, we got a little recipe app. Not too bad. So it's mobile first, so it's supposed to look like that somewhat. What else? Yeah, that's about it. The calculator app came out better, but yeah, leave a comment, any app ideas. If you want to join in on the project, let me know. But we're gonna create something that builds out fully native applications, no frameworks, no third-party stuff, fully native Swift code and Kotlin. Build out APKs and IPAs. Thanks for watching.